In this video, I'll show you how to add authentication in BASE44. First, open your web browser, go to the BASE44 website, and sign into your account. Then open the app where you want to add user authentication. Next, open the AI chat and describe the authentication system you want to build. For example, ask BASE44 to add user sign up, sign in, sign out, password reset, and protected pages. Be specific about how you want users to log in, whether it's with an email and password or a supported social login provider. Now, let BASE44 generate the authentication system for your app. It will create the necessary pages, configure the authentication flow, and connect it to your backend if required. After that, review the generated authentication screens and test the complete user flow. Create a new account, sign in, sign out, and verify that protected pages can only be accessed by authenticated users. If you need any changes, ask BASE44 to update the authentication system or improve the user experience. Finally, once everything is working correctly, publish the latest version of your application and test the live app to make sure authentication is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add authentication in BASE44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.